Think you need to be on camera to grow a YouTube channel? Think again. This faceless channel has already reached 581 subscribers, and today I'll show you the simple system I'm using. These are my actual results. I didn't hire a team, and I didn't spend thousands on production. I built this channel using AI tools and a repeatable workflow. Step 1 is research and scripting. I use ChatGPT and sometimes Grok to brainstorm ideas, outline videos, write scripts, and organize content. Next, I use Syllaby to discover topics people are already searching for, organize my content calendar, and generate new video ideas. It saves me hours every week.
Once the script is ready, I create the video, optimize the title and thumbnail, publish consistently, and keep improving based on YouTube analytics. The goal isn't perfection, it's building a system you can repeat. If you're just getting started with YouTube automation, you don't need dozens of expensive tools. Start with the right workflow and stay consistent. I've linked a free Syllaby trial in the pinned comment if you want to test the same software I use. Subscribe for more AI, YouTube automation, and affiliate marketing tips every week.